You pick your phone to check the time, and somehow 20 minutes are gone. You sit down to study, 3 minutes in, you just want to check something, and now you're scrolling something completely unrelated. You try to read a page of a book, and your eyes move, but nothing goes in. You already reach for your phone before you even decide to. This isn't a focus problem, this is a brain chemistry problem, and it's fixable in a way that has nothing to do with discipline. And here's what nobody tells you about focus. It's not a personality trait, it's a chemical state. Every notification, every scroll, every tap, switch gives your brain a small, fast, cheap hit of dopamine. The problem is your brain adapts. It starts expecting that fast hit every few seconds. So when you sit down to do something slow, reading, writing, real work, your brain treats it like punishment. Not because the task is boring, but because your dopamine baseline has been trained on junk food, and now real food tastes bland. That's why a 2 hour movie feels slow now. That's why a book feels impossible. Your brain isn't broken, it's just been trained wrong. Most people try to fix this with willpower. I'll just focus harder. That doesn't work. Because willpower is a finite resource and you are fighting your own neurochemistry with it. You don't beat a rigged system by trying harder inside the same system. You change the system. There are three things that actually work in order. First, remove the frictionless dopamine resource during your work block. A phone in another room, no background videos, no music with lyrics. The goal isn't punishment, it's giving your brain nothing to reach for except the task in front of it. Second, lower the activation energy. Your brain avoids deep work because starting feels hard, so make starting embarrassingly easy. Don't say, I'll write the report. Say, I'll write one sentence. Momentum builds after you start, not before. Third, and this is one of the people skip, rebuild your dopamine baseline on purpose. Reading, walking without your phone, sitting in silence for 10 minutes. This isn't a relaxation, it's a training. You are teaching your brain that slow things are safe again. Here's the real mindset. Here's the real mindset shift. Stop treating focus like a switch you flip and start treating it like a muscle you train. Nobody walks into a gym and lifts 300 pounds in one day one. But somehow we expect ourselves to sit and focus in for 3 hours straight after years of 8-second videos. So start with just 20 minutes, just 20. No phone, one task. Timer on. When the 20 minutes are up, you are done. You don't have to keep going, but most days you will because starting was the hard part, not continuing. Do this daily, and in 3 weeks, your brain's relationship with slow, effortful things fundamentally changes. Not because you became a different person, but because you are retrained the machine. Your focus isn't gone, it just buried under years of cheap dopamine hits. You don't need more discipline. You don't need a better morning routine. You need to give your brain a reason to trust slow rewards again and again. So today, 20 minutes, phone in the other room, just one task, that's it. If this video helped you to see focus differently, subscribe to the video.